can do canicross, which is just running with them. Get special belts to go with it. I'll tell you a little bit about those dogs we've got here today. Chaos and Mayhem are both Saints dogs, both rescues. Both just unwanted because they had no time for them anymore. Willow is an Alaskan Malamute. You can tell the difference in size. She's actually quite small. She was given up because the owners said they were allergic to her, but most probably, cute fluffy puppy board, grown up to be a big fluffy monster. Is he tired yet? He's still going. Little Hope, who is with Rover. Oh, take out Lynn. She came from Romania. She was a Romanian street dog. It took us 2 years to rehabilitate her. She was in a high kill shelter. Going to put her to sleep just because they got too many dogs, and that's what they do. So someone sent us a picture of her, said